In this video, I'll be demonstrating the new traffic cones feature. So, the first thing you want to do when you pull up to a fire is put it out, but some people have requested this feature, so I went ahead and implemented it. You can grab the traffic cones off the truck, off any engine and tower ladder in the rescue. The squad have it as well. And once you have it equipped, you can press the X key to drop a cone, and you can continue pressing the X key to drop pretty much an infinite amount of cones. Once you're ready to pick them up, you can press the G key and it'll pick up all the cones around you. So you can also use a place cone option. So we place the cone and pick it up. Place it with the radio menu, or X is probably the quicker way to do it. So let's say I do this, I get in my engine. So if we watch this car, he's gonna stop for the cones. And we don't have to worry about any stupid AI cars getting in the way of the fire operations. The more you